Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks. I'm finally back doing some more videos. I have quite a few sneakers just kind of scattered around here on the floor. I've been absent for a while on YouTube. There's been a lot of stuff going on in life, new job, just got engaged. Just so much stuff going into wedding planning and stuff like that, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to do videos. But I've been backed up. I don't even know how many sneakers right here on the floor that I need to do videos for. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first one I want to show you guys today is the Nike Pegasus Turbo. I actually have two pairs of these right now. I have the original one right here that I got from Nike off of that early release from the Nike Run Club. And then I have this black pair here that I got at Finish Line with my discount. Both pairs, super nice. For running, I do run in, I have another pair of these that I got at Finish Line with my discount as well that I've been running in. These are pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I have ran in the 4% before, and those, they felt a little bit like not too stable for me. These have a lot more stability. But right now it's not my everyday running shoe that I use. I don't run every day, but when I do run, this isn't the one I use all the time. Like I said, I have two pairs of these, one pair of these, and then I also have that white and blue one on the way. Now with this one, I really do like the colorway. It's pretty simple, just black and white. The only thing I don't like is that the stripe going down the middle here is black. I really would have liked if they'd done it white just going down. That would have been a cool little contrast, or maybe even a dark gray. As you can see, I mean, this draws inspiration from a bunch of different Nike silhouettes that they're doing now with a bunch of that aerodynamic features to it. The heel kind of raises out so it doesn't rub on your Achilles, which is really nice. You do get a few graphics here on the tongue, and then the inside right there, the insole is going to be that Volt color. Now traction on them is pretty good. This is the only part with exposed foam, and it's going to be React. A lot of people thought there was just a Zoom X cushioning just because it says Zoom X on here. So as you see right here, it says Zoom X, which is true. This top layer right here is Zoom X. This bottom layer right here, you can kind of see a line where it joins, is going to be React. So it's not 100% Zoom X like say a 4%, and you're not going to get the same comfort as it. It's not going to be as squishy, but this is very responsive with that React on the bottom. I would say if you're not able to get your hands on the 4%, which is pretty hard now, especially with the prices, I would say this is a very good alternative. There's plenty of codes you can use on Finish Line and Nike to get these. There's 10% student discounts. Nike, I mean, Finish Line, you can use your rewards over there. Tons and tons of ways to get these for under retail, and they're definitely worth it. And one quick thing to note, how it says Zoom X right here on this one, Nike Zoom X. If you take a look at this pair, it doesn't say Nike on it, it just says Zoom X. I went ahead and tweeted Nike asking if that's common, and they said this pair actually did not receive the Nike branding on it. It shows it online, and I've ordered quite a few pairs of these for different friends and stuff that wanted to try them out through Finish Line. All of them don't have Nike on it. And this one, of course, like I said, was from Nike from the initial release. This one I still haven't worn just because the one that I'm actually running in is the one I've been wearing a lot more. So that was kind of strange, I thought. Now, it doesn't feature Flyknit or anything on there. It's just, I want to say it's Fly Mesh is what they're calling it again. And it's kind of layered off with the Hyperfuse. It's not something as light as the 4% that uses just strictly Fly Mesh, and it's not light as Flyknit. But it is pretty light. It's not going to be the lightest out there, but it is one of the most comfortable out there. Compared to an Epic React, which I've tried, these are, like, I would say a lot better. But it's all preference, of course, and for me, I really do like this pair. Last thing to note is the quality control on this isn't as great. There's some that I've seen at the store that have really large nubs that stick out really long. Some of them don't have them at all, and then of course where it's painted on here, there's quite a few pairs that are kind of chipped and like kind of stuck in there. Luckily I was able to get first dibs and was choosing the one that I like the most. In sizing with these, I went to a 12. My true size is 11.5, but I like a little bit more room, especially when your foot's going to be swelling. I would definitely say go your true size or half size up. I would not recommend going half size down. There's not a whole lot of flexibility in this shoe. It's not Flyknit or anything like that. But honestly, you can probably go to a Dick's Sporting Goods, a Finish Line, try a pair on, and then go from there. Hey, but that is it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching, and sorry again for my absence. I'm going to be recording all night, so hopefully a few more videos come out for you guys. But that's going to be it for this one. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.